here.
I know when Ryan was born, they had to get rid of that big shepherd they had. Remember that
Yeah.
big Dakota one I liked so well?
I think
He got real jealous.
Lucy's here, we need to get rid of Rudy.
And Simone.
And Simone.
Yeah, use that for an excuse.
Simone.
Hey, Simone.
Oliver and
Hey, would you mind
Stanley
if we
and
threw
Shadow
someone
did
in your
so
yard?
We should probably get on that, huh?
You want to see her get
Oh.
killed?
Wow.
I
Well,
wouldn't.
it don't matter with you.
You seen what Cupid can do to a cat?
Yeah.
You know that?